we live? Let's check 1 second. Okay, yes, we are live. We are. Let me remove this media. I don't want this media. Yes, we are. So this model is complete. We just need to do texturing for this. We need to do U as well. For this, I'll add some thickness. Uh, I'll be selecting this. In the last class, we did modeling complete. I've added lattice to it. Remove the division. Okay. Go to side view. Now we'll just select the. This will give me some kind of height. Once I have this, select the object. We can go to modeling, modeling, and polymodeling, delete history, freeze transformation, delete history, freeze transformation. So chair is done. What we can do is combine everything, or we can keep them separate, not a problem, until we do UVs. So this is the current market trend we are looking for. These kind of assets, the companies are looking for be built for their clients. So this one is done. We'll start working on the UVs. If you want, we can add some metal pieces here as well, not a problem. For the support, I'll combine, select. Before that, I'll delete history free transformation for this. Right click, edge, select all the edges, shift click, bevel, and then we have already default settings which 2.2 done. One more technique I'll tell you today to add some welding to your mesh. What you do is select this kind of cube where, wherever you want to add your welding. And when now you click 3, what I do is add smooth on top of this. Why am I listening to myself? Yeah, I'll add one more segment here so that it doesn't go beyond this part. Connect component. Yeah, so we have 3. So this is kind of a small welding piece. Here we keep it like this. So later it looks like a welding object, like a welding piece. If you want, we can scale it in further so it looks better. So this is kind of welding thing. What I will do is add a smooth on top of this. It will give me the proper shape, the welding part. Done. Once I have this, I will duplicate this. Shift D, make a copy, place it here. Done. Once it is done here, we can just move it up just a bit, or we can keep it here. I'll select both of them, combine together, W, and then mirror them on the other side. Done. Both sides have welding pieces now. So these are the welding pieces. I'll keep them together on top of each other so that they don't give us any problems. What I will do is select this. We'll start doing the UVs now. I'll select everything, make a group of it so that everything is inside of this, that nothing is outside. I'll select everything, delete history freeze transformation. We can name each and every part so that they are separate. This will be pipe, stand of chair, of stand of chair, pipe stand of chair. This is the or we can do is select all the metal pieces. This select everything, combine one, and then delete history freeze transformation. This we can put it as port. Normally, companies don't like this. They want everything to be inside of one object only. They don't want separate pieces. But some companies want their pieces to be separate. So you can do according to the company's requirement. Every company has their own requirement. So depends. So we can select everything like this and then combine it. And then this can be welding pieces. Or we can just put welding. I'll delete history free transformation for this. Drag and drop here inside of this. What is this? It's not required. Delete this. I don't know what is it. Let's delete. What is this? Base seat. Base seat. Back support. Back support. And then we have holders or the chair stoppers. Chair stoppers. And then we have screws. We can select these screws, and then combine them together as just double click on them and then SCREWS screws. Done. Delete history freeze transformation. So gone. So we have everything, all the parts available. Once we have everything, delete history freeze transformation. I try to keep my pivot not in the center of the object on the grid, because whenever we are sending an object to another software, that time it may cause problems. So I do is select everything, delete history freeze transformation, go to modify and then reset transform. That will change the pivot of the object to the center of the grid. Once it is there, I'll check the group as well. So the group is also bottom. So now there will be no problems. Delete history freeze transformation, select everything, delete history freeze transformation. So everything is done. I'll rename this as chair. Here, got now. So we can start the UVs. So what I do is first select the one, select any object, go to UV editor. Where do you find this UV editor? Go to UV editor. It's here. How do we use the UV editor? What we do is unwrap an object into planes. That will help us create texture. So what I will do now is I want my seams to be inside where it is not visible, or outside where they are like supporting. So what I do is select this internal edge, cut it from here, select this edge, make a cut. How about it? Shift right click and then cut here. Or what we can do is select everything here and then shift right click, move and save. Once it is done, what I do is select object. There is an option called cut and save. Select this and then you can manually do cuts to any object. Just make a cut here. I'll say select the second one also. So yeah, second one also it's inside. Yes, make cut. Then select one edge loop from here. That will go around everywhere till the back. So that is also a cut. Whatever we do, we cannot hide this cut because either this will be visible or this will be visible. So it is better we put it in a place where it is not giving us problems. Again, I'll click. I don't know what is the problem. Okay, one second. Select the object, click on the cut tool, select cut, select this edge cut, and then I only am taking the corners because that gives me good control over the UVs. So here I'm cutting them. Done. Here the cut is done. Here the cut is done. Same cut on the this piece. Same cut on this piece. Most of the cuts are done. Select everything, unfold, unfold, and then layout, layout. Shift right click and then layout. So most of the object of our here are the like unfold. They are properly UV'd correctly. There is no problem with us. So this is done. So I'll hide this for now. I'll take screws here. Normally what I do is when I'm doing screws, I make one screw and then I like make one when I make the first screw. At that time only I do the UVs, but then this time I forgot to do it. No problem, but we can do it very fast. I select everything, move and save. I select all the UVs, move and save. Done. This these are all the edges currently. Edge, select everything. I select everything. I deselect these parts. Don't want this. Uh, don't want this. Deselect, 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 deselect. Then cut. Most of it, the UVs are done. Cut. Only thing is now we have to cut them from one place. Oh no, let's. Uh, it's better I do like this. Make a cut. Make a cut. Make a cut. This is way better option. Select. Select face. UV shell. Move it. Unfold. Unfold. So this is the best way to unfold an object because this will be a metal piece. It doesn't take much time for like texture this because these three things if I do correctly, if I select these three parts, this till here and then this till here and then make a cut, done. Later I can do for others. So what I do is I know these two are done. Then what I do is select this and then move here, select edge from here till here, make a cut, done. Select, move it, select, it's there, select and it's there, done. I select this one now, select edge from here till here, make a cut, move it here. So the like the top fours are done. Select again this one, select, select, deselect, deselect, cut, select the faces, move it, select face, select edge from here till here and then make a cut. Select, move, select, select, cut, select, select, cut. Select this, move it away. So now only last piece is done. Select, select, cut, select, from there to here, cut. Okay, this is the first one, the one we unfolded. So I'll select this one and then this one and move and save so that it doesn't create any problems. I'll do unfold for everything. Shift right click and then layout, and then this one is done layout. Once this is done, all the screws are done for our chair. What we can do is select every screw and then hide it. Currently not required. What I do, select all the metal frames, select everything, move and save. Now only thing is required is in the corners I have to cut it. Select and then done. Select, select, make a cut. Or we can use this cut and save tool. This will also help us. If I use automatic as well, that will also be fine because this is a cube kind of a thing or a rectangle with no direction change, so it will not give any problems. It will like cut and unfold very cleanly, but it's better to do manually for better achievement of results. Just once again. Just give me a second, I'll be back. yes, I'm back completing the UVs for this. Nothing too complex. Just double click, and then the UVs are done. There is one more software which allows us to do good UVs, that is 3D Coat. Depends on like how you want to do. So there are multiple uses of multiple softwares. Like if you know the software very well, I use it pretty much most of the time because it has a good support system, not crashing high poly model and stuff like that. So yeah, whenever I feel that the model is way too high for software to handle, then I use it. For now, this objects I'll select and then I have to use the straighten them correctly. This one, these are correct, but then I want these four things to be straight. So not like this. I want them to be straight. I select these four and then straighten them. What I do is select this object and then use modify or not this one, UV toolkit. In this they have there is one option called unfold. In this you have straighten objects, so you can straighten any object here. Most of the time it does good job, but then sometimes it doesn't. So what I do is select faces, right click, modify and unitize, select, deselect everything, move and save. This will do a good just give me 1 second, guys. Sorry for the inconvenience. Student had a doubt, so just clarifying that. Nothing much. Okay. Just checking. Select this UVs and then move and save. This will create a good shape structure. What I do, select unfold, unfold V, and then again I select everything, unfold V. If it doesn't work, proper unfold U. This most of the time fixes the problem. Unfold, layout, select UVs, unfold, fold we have done, layout, layout. So this most of the time does fix the problem of returning and out the object. Select again, modify, unitize, select edge, deselect, right click, done, modify, edge selection, deselect, move and save, select edge, unfold V, select, unfold U, then unfold V again once, layout, layout. This also did the same thing, properly unfold. I select both, right click, modify, unitize, select both sides, select, deselect, move and save. Both of them, I select these edges, I select these, unfold V. Once done, select all, unfold V, unfold U, then layout, layout. So what I now do is select everything, layout, layout. So these are all perfectly done pieces, straighten so that they don't have any problem with the texture scale and everything. If you're feeling that still there will be some problem, you can go down to the checker pattern and then go to the close up and check. They are exactly straight and then they don't have any problems. So this is how you check your UVs once you have done the UVs. What I do now is I'll hide them. I don't want them. Now I have welding objects. For this welding objects, what I do is isolate them separately, select everything, create automatic. Okay, they are one piece only, but I'll need to create automatic. Yeah, done. So once I do a automatic, I do a move and save again, and then according to my preference, I cut them into two parts because I want them to be overlapping on each other so they don't have any problems. Make a cut, make a cut so that I can stack them on top of each other. Don't give me any problem. If we are using an object with the baking, then we need to take care of many things. But something like this, I don't think we need any cut. Cut them to half. Add a connect. Cut, connect, cut. Select, unfold, unfold, layout, layout. So these are all pieces done. Unfold. What I do is now I stack them. How do I stack them? Select everything, go to arrange and layout, and then we have a stack option. What this will do is stack everything on top of each other. This will give us a plenty of space to put good quality welding details on top. Most of the time I do the same. If there is some object which doesn't require much texturing, which is actually there but then not too much important, then what I do is I hide it. Pieces like this need more detail, so what I do is select everything, move save, select, unfold, unfold, modify, unitize this, select, move and save, select everything, unfold V, unfold U, unfold, unfold. Why is there problem? There is some problem with this mesh. Right click, modify, unitize, move it out, select, move and save, unfold, unfold. Either this or the other piece has some problem in the UVs. So what I can do is now cut this from half, cut this here from half, and then go to right click, cut UVs, select one of them, unfold. Most of the time this fixes the problem. I'll check this one as well. This one, make a cut. What I do is I do it in the corners, not in the center. That will give me more like proper cutting. Cut, cut, cut. Once we have all the cuts, select everything, unfold, unfold. I think this is the problem. Go to create automatic, select everything, move and save, select edge, cut, 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 cut. Once we have this, unfold, unfold. Yep. Now this was the problem because this was the problem. This does not allow the object to do the proper unfolding. So that means now this one can be unfolded properly. No? What is the problem? Unfold 3D process. Error. Make a cut again. Select, unfold, unfold. Okay. There is some problem here. Unfold. This is also having some problem. What I do now is select from center, make a cut, cut this object, select everything, unfold. Just checking what is the problem here. I select the edge loop and cut it and then do unfold. Let me check what's the problem. If I select everything now and then try to do unfold, to shell unfold, unfold. Yep, done, done. Select everything layout done. But I don't want this to be straight. So what I do is again I try to move and save this back. Try to unfold this again. See if it works fine or not. Maybe there is some problem here. Let me like check the problem. Sometimes there is some vertex merged in the center with the like which is not supporting. So that gives a problem sometimes. Or some vertex which is not supposed to be there, it is there. That is one problem it gives. So yeah, we can fix that, not a problem. Delete edge, delete. Okay, now this is done. Yeah, it was the edge problem. Somewhere in the edge there was some problem. So after I deleted the edges, most of it got fixed. So that's hooray. uh, Same problem with this. So let's check some edge which is not supposed to be there, it's there, and then it is causing problem. So what I'll do is select this, delete edge, again select UVs, unfold. Yeah, still it is giving problem. So maybe there is some problem here. Let me cut these corners and check. Cut. I cut from center, check. No, it doesn't. That means this center is good, but then let me cut from here and then check again. No, cut. This is unfold. Should do unfold properly. Unfold. There is some problem in the center edge. So let me check. Let me select the vertex here. Uh, Either this or the center edge. This one, center one. So let me go to perspective again. Vertex, move vertex, merge vertex threshold, and then let me select unfold, move and save. Let me unfold them now. If there is some problem here in the center, which should be not there, cut. Yeah, that means this there is some problem here. What we can do is go to perspective and second perspective. What I do is select both, connect component. I don't like these pieces, I'll delete. Again, go to top view, edge, select edge, deselect, and then bridge with one segment, linear and bent. Uh, this division, division done. Now, if I feel that there is some problem, we can fix it. So I'm just cutting it from here. Now, if I try to unfold, should do an unfold properly. No, some problem here. Let me cut it from here as well, not a problem. This UNV has mostly fixed our problem. This one and then this one from here. The unfold error sometimes comes because of merge vertex. It doesn't understand which vertex is overlapping or something like that. So it doesn't have great impact on top. Yeah, I select this also and then move and save. Unfold, unfold. No, this is also not doing. Unfold V, unfold U, unfold V, unfold U. Layout, layout. Yep, yep. So rod is done. The this piece is done. Back piece. Make a cut. Yeah, the UVs are done. We can straight them out like this. Same for this as well. Select everything, merge, select face, unfold, unfold. What is your problem? Let me bring it out. Plane mapping, unfold V, unfold U, unfold. Whatever. Our work is done. Mapping, plane mapping. But some places we need to fix, so we'll fix that. Make cuts where required. Done. This pipe, create automatic. Select everything, move and save. Make a cut inside. Cut, cut again. Make a cut. Make a cut. So all the four sides are done for this. Everything is up correctly. Layout, just layout, layout. So our chair base is also done. So what I do is normally may move and save everything. So we have this piece done. What I do is now select this top edge, cut, bottom edge, cut, internal edge, cut, and then we have the screw which we have to like do. So select this edge, this corner edge, and then from here till here one edge, cut. This unfold, and then move it out. For this, what we need to do is make a cut here somewhere, make a cut, select everything, unfold, layout. What else? Internal part is also there, one more. So I'll select and cut. So that unfold, layout. So most of it is done. Either we can do this, or most of the time what I feel is we don't require so much details to be added, because this will be a plain color, it doesn't have much detail. So select this top parts, select all the plastic pieces what we have here, okay, and then go to create plane projection, or we can like create a automatic or camera based, so they have their own position somewhere. This one we can do top view and then create camera base, so it will be like this. Same thing we can do for the other pieces. Select like this, and don't deselect this piece. What you can do is select this piece from here, top view, create camera based, so this will also come like this, so we can stack them on top of each other. Not that will not be visible, so camera based, done. Create camera base, done. So all fours are there, and then this screws are there. Select everything, move and save. What we can do is right click, modify, unitize. As this will have only one metal color, it will work fine, so there will be no problem. I'll arrange it properly, or we can do an automatic. Select this, create. Let me select the surfaces only. This one, create automatic. This will create like this, and then select this, create automatic. This will also create some metal. So these metal and plastics are done. Like this, we can keep them. Once we have everything done, most of our pieces are done. Now only thing is to take this to arrange everything properly, and then take this to Substance Painter and do texturing. So all of them are there. What I will do is select everything big, and then which is required in the main view. So what I do, select everything, layout. So these are the all pieces which we require, and then they are there. You can select the metal pieces, like the pipe, the base, not this, the back support, not this one. Where is, okay, support? This is a metal piece, so we can just stack them on top of each other. So what I do is select everything, go to stack shells, and then everything will come under one. This will give us more details in the metal. If we don't have anything which is repeating, or there is no how should I say, overlapping or baking, then we can use this kind of details. So what I'll do is select this. This is a metal piece, so I'll separate this as well. For this, this is also a metal rod. So I'll select this separately. So we select these. Leather is here, layout. So the leather, I would say it should take most of the part. Then select everything for the pipes, which is the metal pieces. I select everything and then stack similar, or stack shells. This will stack everything. First I do a layout of this so that all the size is accurate. They don't change in the size. Once it is done, stack everything. So everything come under one. Select. I will get the objects UV size. Get, and then select everything and then set. This will set the size of the UV so they don't have any scale problem doing the texturing. So what I do, I keep it here somewhere, move it inside like this UV island so that they don't touch each other and then don't go outside. Okay, select and then move it here somewhere inside, somewhere here. Then I take this metal piece and then bring it down. So now this everything is inside. Oh, so we need to do this as well. This 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 also should be here somewhere. Select, select everything, layout, stack shells, move it out, set. This will set the size of it. Keep it here somewhere. Let me get, then set. What is the problem with this? Why everything got sieved? I did not do any command for sieve. Select everything. Select this, select this, select this, select this. UV, select everything. Layout. So all the metal things are there, yes. So stack shells, select, get, select and set. Once it is done, bring everything back down. Almost correct size. This is done. So now I select everything. Some of the metal screws and everything, just we need to select. First move them away. For this also we'll just select the size of it and do everything accordingly. It's there. We need to use the weldings as well. For these welding parts, we have stacked this. Select separate. Now I select everything. Now we have the UVs correctly aligned here. What I do is now select this and then set. This will arrange everything, stack shells. So everything is brought to one piece and one place. So keep it here separately. Select this and then put it as set. Set. If you feel that you cannot see the UVs, you can just uncheck this option of checker pattern that would hide everything. What I do is select this metal also and then set. and then stack. Stack is nothing but keeping UVs on top of each other so they don't take much space. Stack. What I do is set. Stacking is done. I don't want to keep them very small, so I keep adjustable size to this so that they don't lose quality. For this, I can add more details because I want to get more details in this. Add this welding, like add good noise to it so that, that gives me good details. Do bring it down, select everything. I'll rotate this 90 degrees, keep it here somewhere. Done. So mostly our chair is done. So the UVs are done for the chair. File, export selection, desktop. Before that, I would like to apply a material to this. Assign new material. Convert. Done. File, export selection, desktop, and then stream, yep, stream chair FBX we have exported. Now I'll open Substance Painter. This will help me create good textures. File, new, select, not this, we'll do stream. This is a stream chair, chair FBX 4K. Okay. For this, using deep materials will do. I will use a metal. Okay, either you can use these materials or we can create one metal. How to do that? Select a new layer. In this, keep the color to gray. Only thing we need to change here is roughness and metalness. This will create metal for you. Okay, the more shiny you want, the more roughness you add. So what I do is now I'll group this, name this as metal. I will not just keep it as it is, we'll add some layers on top of this. What I do is now add a black mask and then I select this metal pieces only. Select the UVs, select everything and then do done. Select. This one is also metal. This one is plastic, so we'll keep it as it is, no problem. So see, you can see that we have metal assigned to everything. The top part is also not, I'll add plastic later. We can do that. We have to separate this piece separately. How to do that, we'll check because currently it is in one place. Do a shell, move it. Select face, do shell, keep it separately. Select, select this UV and then keep it here somewhere. We can edit our models UVs every time whenever we want. Later, just we need to replace the new model with the old one. Once we have done that, we'll just go to edit, project configuration, reset, and then add this model again. UVs are changed now. You can see metal is there applied to this piece only. So if you want, we can add again, uh, add a black mask to this. Once this is done, I add a new layer. In this, I don't want anything but roughness. I'll add some roughness to this and then add some variation that would be some noise or some small variation like a scratch or something or like this kind of pattern so that that gives me a good like variation. It looks too much, so what I can do is reduce the roughness and a back mask. In this, I don't want this to be inside of the roughness. I want to add mask and then add a fill. In this fill, I will add this detail. Now it is on me how to control it, so that would be better. So if I select this roughness, I can change the roughness how I want. So yeah, select. I can invert it whenever I like. like invert. So inverting is also an option. This gives me more control over the asset. So yeah, so most of it, we got the metal part done. Now we need to do leather. For leather, we can use the default leather what we have, LEATH. We have some leather pieces here. This one, I think this should do. This one with a change of color to black will do. Add some tiling to 5 or 6 or 7. Yep. 7 should do better. Yep. Now I'll group this. This will be named as LEATHER leather. Add a black mask, and then the mask will be only selected by these UVs. This entire piece, and then the entire piece. So the other is selected. If I want to add some variation in roughness and stuff, I can add that. Use a new layer. I just want roughness to be added. I'll add some roughness. Add a black mask to this, and then we can just use some procedural texture, noise, black and white dots, or this kind of dots. Add a fill to this. In this fill, I'll add some details. You can see that there is some variation, but not too much. So it depends on the like roughness type. If you want to add more and less, so like this, now you can see better. If you keep it here, it is normal. If you keep it here, it's shiny. So I want to keep it somewhere here where it looks shiny, but not too much. But should not give too much of like noise. Either we can keep a bigger scale of patch, would be better. What I will do is add a black mask, add a fill. In this fill, I will add some kind of variation. Yeah, this looks better than before. The finger grunge looks better than anything else, but it is too big. If we feel that it is too much, we can just reduce it. So this looks better. For the white plastic, what we have in the base, we select a new layer. For this, I'll group this layer, name this as a plastic white. For this, we don't need much. No need to add any metal in this. Just you need to change the roughness of it to be full shiny kind of a thing. And then uh, if you need some height and differences, we can do add a black mask, select object, UVs, and click on this UV panel, and then the white paint is done. We can change the color of this to something else if you like red or something. So I would like to have it white. Metal we can change still for this. This is also metal. It might not look like metal, but then it is metal. It's there. This plastic, same thing I'll use for the chair top as well. Select this and then only UVs. This will be selected. Depends on our requirement. If we can do, we can add. For the welding part, what we can do is now we have added metal, but I just want welding parts. So I don't need everything. We have assigned a metal piece. I'll take a new layer. I'll group this layer, and then here I don't want any color, roughness, metal or anything. I just want height details. So what I'll do is select this layer, add a black mask, add a fill. In this fill, I will add some noise. We'll try to find some noise which will give us good results. You can take Gaussian or Perlin noise, anything is fine. I would take dirt, that is also fine. Now what I do is increase and decrease the height. So if I like it, I can use it. Or if normally I would say use cells. This gives more better results than for welding. Uh, so the tile for this should be more, then only it looks better. I would say this should do. And then what I do is right click, add a black mask to this, and then only select these UVs. Cells is there, and then I'll add a fill or a filter on top of this. Add a blur or a directional blur. This will be better to add a directional blur. As you can see, it has got. I'll change the cells UV to triplanar. That will be more better. So that is it for today. I hope everyone understood how to do texture. We'll do some advanced texturing later on when we are doing the full like Substance Painter course. For this is done. What I will do now is render one simple asset. Do a panorama, change panorama to soft studio, not this one. This looks weird. Studio white. Yep, yep, yep. This looks better. Clear color, white color. Done. Focal length I increase. Let it render. I'll add some samples to 2000, and then duration 60 seconds. Minimum through. Once this render is done, I'll do render and then data mail. That I'm sitting on is the same chair what I'm on right now. So yeah, I think yeah, the render is done. I'll save this render as a PNG image, PNG chair, and then go to desktop and then stream folder, chair, and then chair save. This was it for today. I hope everyone liked it. Go to desktop. If you have any questions, if you want to learn more about the subject, you can contact us. The numbers are there on the screen. You can mail us as well. No problem. We respond on mail. Thank you for today. Let's let's end the stream. Not yet. Cancel it.